how to pin multiple location on Google Map. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you pin the multiple location on Google Map. So let's get started. On this process, as you have to firstly open Google Maps on your device. Alright, after you open the Google Map, you will got search interface. So from your at the top in the search field, you'll have to search for your first location, and after you search it, you can easily find out that location on Google Map. And from this Google Map, you'll have to just tap or hold that location where you want to pin. So simply tap and hold that. Alright, after you select that, at the bottom, you'll have to tap on save. Okay, so from this save to list section, tap on the option favorite, and after you tap on that, tap on done just at the bottom. Alright, once you have added that location on your favorite, you'll have to just again select a location from that map. So in my case, I will choose this random location from here, and after you select the location again, tap on the option save at the bottom. From your choose favorite and tap on done. Alright, by doing this process, you can easily add multiple location as in your favorite, and after you add that location in your favorite, you'll have to just back from here, and from the Google Map at the bottom, you'll have to tap on U. Alright, from the U section, you can easily tap on the option favorite, and from the favorite section, you can easily access your multiple pins or multiple favorite location on Google Map. As you can see, here is the two favorite map on the map. So this is the easiest and simplest method to access multiple location on Google Map. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.